called sound effects. And they're going to act out a scene, and whenever they prompt you to, you're going to supply the sound effects they need for the scene into the microphone. Now, tell me your names really quick.
Lynn.
Lynn, you're going to do Ryan, right? And you're going to... Your name is what? Gail, you're going to do Colin, okay? So the scene is, you guys are two buddy cops relaxing in your squad car just before being called to an incident. Okay. So you're ready to go. Take it away whenever you're ready.
These donuts aren't as crispy as they used to be.
Look, I can chew with my mouth open and you don't hear a thing.
Let's see if there's anything on the radio.
Might as well. Oh, the antenna's not screwed in. Turn up the volume, would you? Don't hear a thing.
I guess, what?
Look, I just went through that light. Hit the siren. I'm chasing after him.
Hit the siren!
It's one of those silent ones that really irritates dogs.
Oh, man. We're gonna have to get really close for him to hear this. I better gun it. We must be out of gas. Let's push it. All right, look. This could be dangerous. We better put on our SWAT stuff.
Okay. I'm just gonna cock my gun.
You call that a gun?
I'll
Listen
take out
to
the
this.
silencer.
That's no gun. Listen to this. Nothing.
Okay. I have a feeling there's terrorists behind that door.
I hope they're loud terrorists.
It wouldn't surprise me if it was a very quiet group of 100 or so.
All right, let's take it easy. Okay. Here's what we're gonna do. Okay? Let's get this straight.
Okay.
You are gonna kick in the door very loudly.
Okay.
I'm gonna run in behind you. Make it sound like a duck to confuse them.
Okay, let me hear the duck, just so I know.
Quack, quack, quack.
If you'll notice, that wasn't just one duck.
No,
that was a
two
whole
ducks.
flock.
You know what? While you do the duck, I'm gonna do the elephant.
Right.
Quack, quack, quack.
All right. Once again.
Okay. What?
The plan is. Okay, here's the plan.
Okay.
You kick in the door. I do the duck, you do the elephant, and then we open fire.
Okay. I might do a duck.
All right. Ready?
Okay.
Bang.
funniest thing. Oh, this is so funny. I'm going to do an elephant quack, quack, quack. Woo. Oh, man. That quacking elephant was like the funniest thing. Oh, man. You guys are on the party list from now on. They were so excited about making a noise, I think they're just like, oh, we can do quack, 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 quack.